remember walking all the way back to my hostel, about 7 kilometers daily, you know, to becoming the director of that company that I was an intern for. My name is Aldo. I'm a husband and a father of two lovely boys. I'm the co-founder here at Legacy Motors. We do sales, service and repairs of motor vehicles, especially the Subaru range of cars. In our days, we were not privileged to have toys, but we made our own toys. In fact, I remember I used to make toys of Tetra Packs, you know, old milk cans. Would get tires of lids of soda bottles, and that's how my love for cars starts. All through school, I hadn't really understood where I would be. So at my A-levels, I had quite a number of options. I remember in my vacation, I worked for a telecom company, and it seems to have been quite away from what I do now. But when I made my choices at the university, I went to only one university to get the course that I wanted. I wanted to do engineering. And so my three choices were telecom engineering, electrical engineering, and automotive engineering. And guess what? I was given automotive engineering. And I don't regret having ever done automotive engineering. I remember sharing it with my parents, and my parents weren't really happy about it, but it's the course I wanted to take. They gladly allowed me to take. From the university, I became an intern. In that company, I grew different stages. And I remember cleaning cars, cleaning the workshop. I remember walking all the way back to my hostel, about 7 kilometers daily, you know, to becoming the director of that company that I was an intern for several years later. What sets Legacy Motors apart from others is excellence starts from the time the client approaches the gate. How does the guard treat them? How does the guard welcome them? Where does the guard show them to park? Excellence goes as far as ensuring that the clock in the customer's car is correct as it was. When I wake up every day to come to Legacy Motors, my number one drive is to solve someone's problem and to see that smile on their face. That makes me very, very happy. Is to receive that call and say, you know what, you did a wonderful job. Thank you for the work you did. For the 10 years, 11 years I've been in the automotive industry, I have learned to take every client as one who has been brought to me by God. And that for that time that our path has crossed, that it should be a friendly relationship. If you ever front money before anything else, you're bound to fail. Because you look at the money and not the work you're doing. Money comes after solving a problem. There's a notion that mechanics are not trusted. You leave your car somewhere and parts are removed from it. My big dream is to be able to transform the automotive industry outlook in this nation. And my desire is to see Legacy Motors leading the front in the automotive industry. Not because of size, not because of anything, but because of how we deliver our service. Young man, young lady out there, my advice to you is don't do something that you're not passionate about. Don't do something just to pass time. Do something that you love. If you do something that you love, you will excel in it. Don't do something because someone else is doing it, but be passionate about it and keep asking. Be humble. I have seen women mechanics who are doing very well, not only in Uganda but worldwide. that they are doing very well. Some of the core designers of some of the cars you see today are women. It's not a men-only job. Please, I invite you. Please come. Let's do this together. Come, let's love cars together. Let's fix cars together.